Hey everybody, it's Miss Limer. I'm just making this video to review multiplication representations with y'all. This was one of our favorite things because we got to draw so many pictures. So here's a picture of our anchor chart, and there are a ton of different multiplication representations, right? So we have groups of, and remember that X always says something different. So 4 times 5 is 4 groups of 5. So you have 4 groups with 5 in each, and you count them up, 5, 10, 15, 20, and you get your product of 20. Okay, then we have a repeated addition. Repeated addition is adding over and over and over again. So 4 times 5, that X reads groups of. So 4 groups of 5. So here I have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5 in each group. And when you add those together, you also get 20. We can also skip count, which is something that y'all have been doing for a really long time. 4 times 5 is count by 5 4 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20. You get your same answer of 20. Then we can do an array, which is my favorite. So the array, when you're doing an array, the X reads rows of. So here we have 4 rows of 5. So I did 4 rows on the side, and I put 5 in each row. Okay. Then we have the area model, which is just like a squished together array, right? 4 times 5 is 4 rows of 5. So we have our 4 rows with 5 in each row. When you count them all together, it equals 20. On our number line, which is what was the most difficult one that we did, that X stands for jumps of. 4 jumps of 5. So we do our 4 jumps. Remember, you got to put 5 inside of each jump, right? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. It's just like skip counting. And in fact, at the bottom of the number line, you include those skip counting numbers. So you start at your 0, and every time you touch the number line, you skip count. And then finally, we have strip diagrams, which remember, Ms. V in 4th grade loves strip diagrams. So 4 times 5 is 4 parts with 5. So we draw a basic strip diagram with our whole and our parts, and we draw our 4 parts. We put 5 in each. So remember, guys, multiplication representations, you can choose whichever one you like the best, okay? We also have the standard algorithm, which is, for example, 4 times 5 equals 20 with just the numbers. We also have all of our skip counting songs. Y'all remember all of this stuff, right? So when you come to a problem for multiplication, the best thing to do is to draw a picture. You can draw a picture, and these are your pictures. You can draw groups of, repeated addition, skip counting, array, area model, number line, or a strip diagram.